Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's check up on the garden today. Check up on it, check up on it, check up on it. Alright, so little green bean sprouts are growing. Well, not sprouts, green bean plants are growing. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 that has made it. These are still going strong over here, even though we've had some hard rain. Unfortunately, my first little, wait a minute. We have a little pepper growing right here. What? Huh. I thought it wasn't because but there's a little ball right there, a little budge. What? Ew. Alright, let's go on to the other side and see what's new, pussycat. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, as you see, we're getting another garden bed together. See, Mr. B is down here doing his work. Not gonna disturb it. But as you can see, look at that cucumber over there growing. What? Better go, cucumber. And again, as you can see, my cucumber plant, let me zoom out, has taken over. It's taken over everything. It's all in the tomato plants. I mean, look at Mr. B going to work. I've seen 2 bees over here. I'm not too too keen on bees like that. But you know, I'm gonna leave for a second. I'm gonna let him do his thing. Go ahead and pollinate. Look at all the pepper plants growing. These are the habanero pepper plants, y'all. And we put that gardenia in here to attract the bees. Green bean plant again. Tune back. There's another one in between this green bean plant and the gardenia. So there's 4 green bean plants over here. And the bell pepper plants, they're doing their thing. Hey, y'all, I want to say about almost 20 tomatoes growing. Like, for real. You see those things up in there? They're all throughout. Right now they're green. So, they're blending in. And like I said, I'm not really going to go a whole lot close with, we'll get a whole lot close. You see Mr. B on this thing? I'm going to do his thing. Again, that's why I'm not going close. He's working. Why should I disturb him when he's working? But there's things get big, y'all. So this is it, y'all. You see my little garden? It's thriving. It's thriving. I believe there was a flower on this first one. Let's see. Oh, it has a little pepper growing. That's why we can't. Look right there. Little pepper's growing. I know that's right. Let's go, guys. Let's do it. Again, here's the garden. Isn't it amazing? I'm not saying as in, not only does it look amazing, because in my opinion, it does because it's mine, but it's just amazing to see the growth. Remember the first video that I posted, or the photos I posted? This is only not even a month later. Not even a month later. These plants, it seems like they grow overnight. It's amazing. Growing these plants has made me appreciate nature more. Because honestly, I have not been an outdoors person. But growing these plants has made me come outside more. It made me appreciate the rain, appreciate the sun quite more. And I'm thankful that this summer has been great to us. Last summer we had a drought. So this wouldn't have been possible. It would have been possible, but it wouldn't be possible because my water bill ain't gonna skyrocket again. Last year we had this grass growing. Oh, this grass, but our grass back there growing, and that bill was quite expensive. So again, to say, had it been a drought last year, well, like it was last year, this wouldn't be happening. Because what I've learned is that these tomatoes and, well, in general, these plants need water. They love water. And they've been loving this season. What's another thing that I've learned? All right, next time the next summer season, spring summer season, when I plant cucumbers and tomatoes, I will not plant them as close as I did. Because, as you can, like I was talking about before, the cucumber plant is growing all over the place, and it's growing all over and onto the tomatoes. Spacing. That would be my main thing next year, is giving each plant its proper spacing. But other than that, oh, ignore the little wood. This is getting taken care of. This wood is rotted, and in this rotted wood, there was a hornet's nest. So my husband had to kill it, and yeah, it's right here for the neighbor to pick it up when he's ready to go to the dump. But yeah, this is it, y'all. Another garden tour. Another one. See y'all in the next video.